Hello, my name is Igor Kotov, and I'm one of the programmers of the Bitcoin Robot. By now, you know that Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency that is decentralized and uncontrollable by governmental institutions, increasing in popularity with more and more businesses accepting Bitcoins, tradable into US dollars or euro or any currency you like. Yes, even withdrawable via debit card. And the most important thing, that we here have developed a Bitcoin robot that earns Bitcoins automatically every day, 7 days of the week, 24 hours per day. Or at least we claim to do so for now. Today, I'm going to show you a little bit on how the Bitcoin robot operates, so stay tuned and listen. This might be the single most important video you might watch this year. The Bitcoin robot that we developed is not a trading robot in the common sense. It's not trading currencies like Forex or stocks. At the same time, this means you do not need a brokerage account or trading account of any kind. There are no fees to pay, no commissions of any kind withdrawn from earnings, no limits in account size, no leverages, that's inflated money like in Forex that is not really there. And best of all, no one able to control or see your transactions. It's 100% anonymous. So how does the Bitcoin robot earn money? Simple. While Bitcoin gains traction and more followers discover Bitcoin, this audience is inexperienced. No wonder, after all, Bitcoins are a totally new concept, and so you can't really expect that everyone is an expert Bitcoin trader from the get-go, right? However, the interest is high and a lot of people want to buy some Bitcoin as they assume the price of Bitcoins will rise. While this might be true to an extent, that's not how the Bitcoin robot we developed operates. We don't assume the price will always go up. However, we have the clear assumption that people buy Bitcoins overpriced. The same thing happens with new product launches. When a new console or a very popular item launches, a lot of people buy more and then sell it on eBay at 200% plus prices. And they sell it simply because the demand is high and people, especially people with money, have no patience to wait. As with every commodity or stock, the Bitcoin price is based upon demand. There are a few very big marketplaces, fully independent from Bitcoin as a currency itself, that allow people to buy and sell their Bitcoins, and here lies the potential for profits. As new investors buy Bitcoins, they are unwilling to wait until the price is small. They want to buy Bitcoins right here, right now. They don't care if the price is higher during daytime than it is at nighttime. They don't think about weekends with smaller action and Tuesdays with peak prices. That's where the Bitcoin robot comes into play. Sitting there like a hawk 24 hours every day, it monitors the big marketplaces automatically. The Bitcoin robot does not require to make a few big orders. It can execute hundreds of small orders a day, something no human can or would want to do, always on the lookout for the cheapest price to buy and the highest price to sell. Important. We do not care overly if the Bitcoin price increases. We just want it to fluctuate. The more fluctuation is in the market and better the Bitcoin robot trades. So while 98% of the Bitcoin currency users buy and sell Bitcoins manually, the remaining 2% that will use our Bitcoin robot will make money on the rest, and that's a fact. We are very excited about being able to offer you this possibility of automated income and will reveal more information very soon. If you have not yet entered your name and email in the form below, do so now to stay up to date on when the Bitcoin robot might become available. It will be limited in numbers and the demand will be much higher than the supply. Stay tuned for more news.